Good morning students, welcome back in maths class. So let us continue with exercise 2a. Question number 7, simplify. So simplification, they have given you the sums 2 over 3, fractions 2 over 3 plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 9. So we will be taking the LCM of denominators, 3, 6 and 9 का LCM ले लिया. So you are getting LCM 18. अब आपके पास 18 LCM आ गया. Now what you will be doing, you want the denominator 18. Now let us compare, write down the fractions 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 over 9. So first compare 18 and 3. 18 को 3 से डिवाइड किया और मल्टीप्लाई किससे करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर से, that is 2. 18 divided by 6 plus 18 divided by 6 multiply by 5. Now next number is minus 18 divided by 9 and multiply by 1. So 18 divided by 3 you are getting 6. 3 6 are 18 और आपके पास next multiplication में number was 2. Next number is 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Multiply by 5. Next number is minus 18 divided by 2 is 9 is 2. Multiply by 1. So you are getting 6 to the 12. 3 5s are 15 minus 2. Now according to the board mass, first of all you will be solving addition sums. 12 plus 15 you will be getting 27 minus 2, that is 25 over 18. 25 over 18 को you will be changing into the mixed fraction. After the division करने के बाद you will be getting 1:7 over 18. This is the answer. Now let us move to the next question number 8. Question number 8 is, Anita bought 3:3 by 4 kg apples and 4:1 by 2 kg guava. What is the total weight of the fruits purchased by her? अब अनीता ने एप्पल्स बाय किए एंड गुआवास बाय किए एंड दे आर आस्किंग यू व्हाट इज द टोटल वेट. Total means you're getting addition. We need to do the addition. Now let us start. What is the weight of the apples given here? Weight of apples is 3:3 by 4. That means mixed fraction है, you will be changing it into the improper fraction. 3 4 are 12 and then adding 3, that is 15 over 4 kgs. Weight of guava, that is 4:1 by 2 means improper fraction में change करो. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2 kg. Total weight means 15 by 4 kg, 4 plus 9 by 2 kgs. Now what we will be doing, you will be taking LCM first. Take the LCM. 15 by 4 plus 9 by 2. LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4 LCM. Now divide 4 by 4, you are getting 1. तो 1 को जब 15 से डिवाइड किया you are getting 15. So divide 4 by 2. When you divide 4 by 2 you are getting 2 as answer. So 9 2s are 18. 15 plus 18 will be 33 by 4. Again change it into the mixed fraction, that is 8:1 by 4 kgs is the answer. Now question number 9. A rectangular sheet of a paper is 15:3 by 4 centimeter long and 12:1 by 2 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Now look at the shape here. Rectangular shape means it's like this. Paper is like this and length and breadth is given to you. Length is 15:3 by 4. Fine. And the breadth is 12:1 by 2 centimeter. So this is a rectangular shape paper. What are they asking? They are asking the perimeter. Now do you know the perimeter of rectangle? How to find out? The perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So what is the things given to you? Given length of the sheet, that is 15:3 by 4. Convert into the improper fraction, that is 15 4 is 60 plus 363 over 4 centimeter. Breadth is 12:1 by 2, that is 25 by 2 centimeter. A perimeter I have already announced that it is 2 into length plus breadth. Now लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ आपको दे रखी है 63/4 प्लस 25/2. नाउ यू विल बी टेकिंग 2 असाइड एंड पहले सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट बोर्ड मास के अकॉर्डिंग you will be solving 63/4 plus 25/2. So taking the LCM, 4 और 2 का LCM लिया, what are you getting? 4 as LCM. Fine, 4 and 4 को डिवाइड किया तो 1 आ रहा है, that means 63 आपने as it is लिखा. Now 4 divided by 2, that means 2 है, 2 2s 4 होते हैं, and 25 को 2 से डिवाइड किया, that is 50. तो 63 plus 50, that is 113. 2 multiplied by 113 divide over 4. Now what we will be doing, you will be dividing this 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2, both the numbers by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what are you getting? 113/2 centimeter. Fine. So this is improper fraction. Now dividing 113/2. So you are getting 56:1/2 centimeter. Answer is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now let us move to another question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is a piece of wire is 3:3/4 meter long, broke into 2 pieces. One is 1:1/2 meter long. How long is the other piece? अब आपके पास टोटल पीस दे रखा है. ये सपोज दिस इज द वायर. एक उसको 2 पीस पार्ट्स में इकट्ठा किया है, पार्ट्स में ब्रेक कर दिया है. 1 की लेंथ आपको दे रखी है, दैट इज 1:1/2 meter. Another you need to find out. So what is the total length given to you? आपके पास जो टोटल लेंथ है दैट इज 3/3/4. तो 3 4 12, इसको चेंज करो, दैट इज 15/4 मीटर. अब एक पीस की लेंथ आपके पास दे रखी है, लेंथ ऑफ वन पीस दैट इज 1:1/2, दैट इज 3/2 मीटर. लेंथ ऑफ अदर पीस कैसे पता लगेगी? एक पीस की पता है, टोटल लेंथ पता है, माइनस कर दोगे 15/4 माइनस 3/2. ये कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. 15/4 माइनस 3/2, दैट इज 4 इज द एलसीएम. यहाँ पर यू विल बी गेटिंग 4 को 4 से डिवाइड किया, यू आर गेटिंग 1. 15 multiplied by 1 is 15, and then here 4 divided by 2 that is 2, और 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 6, तो 9/4 that is 2:1/4 मीटर. इसको मिक्स में किया 9/4 को डिवाइड करके, यू विल बी चेकिंग इट. नाउ लेट्स डू द नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन. कॉस्ट ऑफ अ pen is 6 rupees, 60:3/5 and that of pencil is 4:4/3. Which costs more and by how much? This is the comparison question, and again how much means kitni zyada hai, that you need to find out. So what are the things given to you? Cost of pen and cost of pencil that we have written here. 60:3/4 is the pen's cost and pencil की cost है 4:3/4. Changing it into the improper fraction 83/5 और इधर क्या आ गई 19/4. Now comparison means 83/5 and 19/4 cross multiplication 83/4 and 19/5. So you are getting 83/4 किया तो you are getting 332 और 19/5 are 95. 332 is greater than 95, that is 332 क्या था 83/5 था, which is greater than 19/4. अब the cost of pen is more. How much more? That means you will be subtracting 83/5 minus 19/4. तो LCM क्या आ रहा है 4 और 5 को डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई किया, you are getting 20. Fine. Now पहले क्या किया 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 दैट इज 4 आ गया, तो 83 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, देन 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 यू आर गेटिंग 5, सो 19 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब 83 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 क्या है 332, 19 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 95, सो यू आर गेटिंग 237/20. जब इसको डिवाइड करो, डिवीजन शो करिए पहले, तो डिवीजन में आपके पास देखो 11 क्वोशंट है एंड रिमाइंडर 17 है, तो क्वोशंट इज टू रिमाइंडर ओवर डिवाइजर, सो 11 is to 17/20 rupees is the answer of the question. That's all for today. I'll be sending you homework. Thank you for watching.